3D navigation. Here you can see a possible result of the Quick Start example in 3D. Let's master navigation to explore the 3D world. Your view starts at the bottom left corner when first entering the 3D view, and a red camera will appear in the bottom left of the 2D view. By changing the camera on the 2D map, you will see a different angle in the 3D world. You can also directly navigate in the 3D world and change the speed setting. Feature 1. Walk mode. Press the left mouse button and navigate by moving the mouse in the direction you want to go. Feature 2. Turntable mode. Click the mouse wheel to rotate the viewing angle around the center of the screen. For sideways slides, add the control key while clicking on the mouse wheel. You can zoom in and out by turning the mouse wheel. Keep in mind, the zoom always centers around the position of the cursor. You can also navigate through the cube in the top right-hand corner. By clicking on the different corners, edges and sides of the cube, you receive exactly the same view as selected from the cube. This option can also be used to move to different selected objects in your layout. You can do this directly in 3D or by selecting the object in 2D when the objects are outside of the current 3D view for quicker and easier navigation. Additionally, you can use this option if you have lost the orientation in your layout.